First bite of the day at the Yellow House. It is June the 15th. Brought Buddy Ben back out here today. And he hooked up.
You run right up under the mercury. Right up under.
A lot of times you can, I mean, they'll ticket and head right straight for the boat, and you don't think I don't think they're on there a lot of times, and they really will be.
Your cookie cutter, 16-inch.
This little 16-incher, huh? Hey, it's a you ain't skunked.
Well, I ain't got him to the top of the water yet. Now I do. He's shrunk. He's 15 inches. I ain't skunked.
Use that small hook and them small crawfish, ain't you?
Yeah.
Hey, I did catch one on a big crawfish that size the other day. But it took spoon feeding it.
Yep.
Old Ben showed me how it's done today. I got a little, as Ben says, a tick.
A little tick. Little ticky tick.
And I think he's swimming to the boat.
I'm going to use this same crawfish again.
Hey, I caught 4 on 2 crawfish yesterday. What's this one doing? There he goes. Now he's taking off with it. Go right over your head, B.
Okay. You got 2 here.
Come on, be a big fish. Yeah,
Yeah,
you might need to get out of the way.
Go over here.
He's still taking mine. He didn't stop to eat it yet. Can't help it. There he is. I got him. Well, I said I did. I had him for a second. He's still on. He's running toward me now.
Just had a bow in your line. Another cookie cutter. They build them in cookie cutters. Baby spots.
Baby spots. That's all right. They're fun to catch. Get you some of that. Look at that, baby. All right. We got the skunk out of the boat on both of us. You stay here and catch another 1 or 2 little ones, or you gonna go where the big ones are?
I'm not gonna.
All right, we'll catch another 1 or 2 small ones. Get us warmed up. It's the 3rd fish of the day if Ben can catch him, and we ain't been out here but 25 minutes. And hey,
He was running sideways on me. He was going sideways. This was a little bit bigger than that other one.
good. Am I in your way?
No.
Yeah, I am too. Get out of the way, Douglas.
This is a little bigger.
A little bit bigger, he says.
Not much, but a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. Okay.
Yep. 3rd fish of the day. Yeah, he ate it, didn't he?
He ate my little
Here you go,
crawfish.
look at put it real close right there, Ben.
My trip. He ate that crawfish. He had a good breakfast. Yeah, see it? He's gonna gulp it down.
Hey. Hey. Woohoo. Y'all get you some of that. We ain't catching big ones yet, but we're catching them.
Right up there at the 8-foot mark.
Oh, Benjamin getting a bite
Going to mine mark.
at the 4-way power line.
It felt, I'm hoping for a bigger fish. It felt like it might be a bigger fish. Just the way
That's what we want. We like big fish.
Just the way he hit it. I got him.
He got him. What is he?
He is a bigger fish.
He's a bigger fish.
He's a bass.
He's a bass.
Oh, I hope he's a bass.
Oh, he's hoping he's a bass.
He may be a
Kitty cat. Come on, be a bass. Up. Phone call's too late.
He is a big old spot.
Big old spot.
Big old spot.
You can't catch fish, talk on the phone, eat bananas all at the same time.
19-inch spot. No, he ain't 19 inches. Boy, they always shrink when I get them up close to the
He's a pretty fish, though.
Nice.
Biggest of the day.
Nice spot.
Biggest of the day.
Meaner than a...
Guide's gonna get a good tip today.
Look how fat he is.
Oh, I know
He wants to be like you, Doug.
it. He almost is.
Fat as a butterball.
Guide's gonna get a good tip today. I'm getting a bite while Ben's getting his fish off back there. He's running with it. I don't know where he's going. He's going to my old buddy Woodsy's house, I guess.
Can I use another little crawfish or do
I hope you do. I want you to save all them bigger ones for me. I better set the hook on this rascal. There he is. I got him. Man. It's pretty good fish here. Feels like it may shrink like Ben's did here in a minute. Which I had a bigger crawfish on. Old Ben likes to use them little ones. Oh yeah. Woo!
He's a bass too.
He's a bass. He's a good one.
He ain't no
A good one.
Ain't no kitty cat. He's
Rod bending spots.
a mean spot. Now that one's 18 or 9.
Now it's the biggest of the day here, folks. Biggest of the day.
Spot.
Perfect hook set. My crawfish still trying to get away from him.
But he's a dumb fish if he's got a hook mark.
Yeah, he does. Yes, sir. Ben, am I going to get a good tip today?
Yeah. That's 5, I think, total.
That is 5.
Not bad.
What did I tell you about yesterday?
Yeah.
Well, I tell you what now. I had him hooked. I'll get you some of that. Look at that, get you some of that. That's a pretty fish.
Up at the, it wasn't a dead skunk, but there was a skunk up
2 pounds, 13 ounces. Thank you, buddy. Go, let me get it back going another way.
That's all right. That's all right. You good. You good.
Hup.
I got him.
Hooked up right here under the boat.
He's a good one, too. He's a good one. Right under the boat, I mean. It's a good fish.
Be a bass. Be a bass. Be an 8-pounder.
Be a bass.
Be an 8-pounder. Come on.
I think he's a catfish, Doug.
Oh, no.
I think he's
Oh,
a catfish.
we may get a double.
I think he's a catfish. I think he's a 10-pound catfish.
No.
He's a 5-pound catfish.
Oh, kitty cat.
Man, he hit right under the boat now.
Woo!
Yeah.
Hey, he's fun. They fun to catch. Let me get my grippers out for you, maybe.
I caught caught an 11-pounder across the street over there.
Yep.
One day about a month ago. This one here is not 11, but I think he's a good 5.
Get him over here close and we'll put the quietuses on him. Oh, he's gonna be one we put on the scales just to see.
It's a mama. It's a mama.
Boy, she is full,
Mama
ain't she?
cat.
You be still. I missed him.
That's our old catfish. Look at that head.
There you go, Benjamin. Y'all get you some of that catfish.
Look at his belly on that thing.
I know it.
Whew, that thing is ugly now.
Ben catches ugly fish.
It reminds me of
Hey, that fish just wants to be like you, Ben. Ugly.
Reminds me of an old gal I knew in college.
You guessed right.
5 pound?
Well, 4 pound, 10 ounces.
All right, that's close enough. Let me get my hook out, maybe.
Let me get this off.
All
Let
right.
me get the scale. Ooh, I got one behind the boat just running with it now. There he is. Oh, this is good. I thought. Oh, he's coming to the boat's why. He felt heavy to start with, and woo! It is a good. I hope it's a bass.
It is.
It is a bass.
It's a largemouth.
It's a bass.
Large head.
He ain't big as I thought he was. Boy, he hit it hard. I mean,
Got fat.
like they're supposed to.
Got fat that boat.
That ain't largemouth, is it? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's a largemouth.
There we go. I'll get you some of that pretty fish. He's fat. I'll get you some of that. Look at that rascal. That's number, what, 7 for today, Ben?
Yeah.
7 already. And Ben hadn't even got hot yet. He ain't even been, hey, he ain't complained a bit about being in the sunshine. I told him we was gonna fish in the sun today. He likes to sit in the shade where they ain't biting. That thing picked it up. It's headed to us, Ben. He just hit it hard, knocked slack in the line, and I know the boat's still going that way. Well, maybe he dropped it. Maybe he picked it up and come this way and dropped it. I don't feel him no more. Look at there. All right, I've got one active crawfish, one.
Crawfish may be hitching a ride.
Something may have got my crawfish totally.
Catfish do that.
Up, up. There it goes.
Little spot.
Probably.
That
Have the
is
spoon feed him that big old crawfish, probably.
That is the hallmark of a small spot is nibbles like that.
I got him, whatever it is. And he ain't very big. Had to spoon feed it. Woohoo!
Number 9.
Number 9. We think when you catch so many you can't keep count, that's a good day of fishing. That was like yesterday. I couldn't keep out.
Another largemouth.
Yep, he ate it.
We're gonna get a double maybe?
Maybe. Ben says we may get a double.
We'll get a double. Uh-oh, I got hoodooed.
You get hoodooed?
Yeah. Oh, he come back and got it.
Number 10 if Ben gets him in.
I missed him, pulled it away from him, and he said, that thing's trying to get away. I'm gonna go get it. I got a good one. I don't think it's a catfish.
Don't think it's a catfish.
This may be the biggest bass of the day here. This is the biggest bass of the day so far.
Y'all get you some of that while Ben's getting his in the boat.
I got the biggest one of the day so far. Guaranteed. Don't you be no cat. Look at here, big old largemouth. There you go, buddy. You've been wanting that 5-pounder on camera. There he is right there.
Guide's gonna get a big tip today. Ben would have never come up here and fished this little hole. Would you, Ben?
No.
I don't think he's gonna go 5, Ben. He got smaller when he got to the boat, didn't he? But we'll put the D-lyres on him and check him.
He's way over 4.
Yeah, I think he's over 4. He may be 5. He got a big old belly on him. But man, where's them 8-pounders we caught last year, Ben, and the year before? Let him go.
413.
Oh, 314.
I'm getting worse and worse.
I'm gonna reset this and check it again. He looks bigger than that.
Huh.
Don't he?
Well, the more I look
He's
at
short.
him, the more I look at him, the more he shrinks. They all do that on the way to the boat, but he jumped pretty.
314.
So he went.
Y'all get you some of
He
that.
went from 6 to 5 to 4 to 314.
We can call him 4. He's close enough. Thank you, buddy.
Nice. Good water fish, right?
Ben.
Basically under the boat. Basically right under the boat.
Ben done got number 11 for today. We think.
Another good one too.
We catch so many fish we lose count. I'll have to double check the camera when I get home. He says it's another good one.
It is. Bass too. Another good one and it's a bass.
Yes, sir.
I think it's the same one I caught a while ago.
He looks the same, don't he?
I think it's the same one I caught a minute ago.
Surely not.
No, surely not. Them 4-pounders all bunch up together. Come here, buddy. I mean, he just ate it right there under the boat.
I know. Where I painted him on that depth finder back there, yesterday and today.
He ain't as big as that other.
Nope. A little smaller.
But he's a fine fish.
I'll get you some of this now. Look at old Ben back there. He wearing me out. How many is that for you, Ben?
I don't know.
You don't know.
It's a nice, pretty fish. Pretty large, man.
We've caught
11, 12, something. You're gonna have to count them on film. I can't keep up.
old Ben's getting a bite, and I'm hung up in the brush pile that we're fishing next to. So yeah, we got it. Let's see here.
We got a cluster. Just. There's catfish and bass holding around that there thing.
We've got 2 catfish here. I'm still hung up in the brush pile, and Ben, that catfish went all the way around my line. Several times it looked like. Once you cut it, Ben, you're going to retie anyhow, ain't you?
Yeah, it's just right there. my lucky hook.
Oh, I mean, cut the line.
Oh, yeah.
Old Ben at the back of the boat back there, he's getting him a bite.
Felt like a little fish, but you just never
Can't ever tell. Maybe a big one.
You're going to Vinemont, I know that. You're going due north.
All right, hooked up on lucky number 13. Can he get him to the boat? Boy, it's a small fish, ain't it?
Yeah.
Or did you have bow in your line?
I had a bow, but it's still small fish. It might be the smallest of the day. The smallest of the day.
He counts. Yeah, he is the smallest of the day.
He threw my crawfish back at me.
Yep. Yeah, my crawfish would have ate him. Took longer today to get a bite out of this hole, but Ben's finally getting a bite.
He don't wrap me around that stump. I have lost.
It happens.
I've lost a big one right there wrapped around.
It happens. He getting ready to set the hook, and he sets the hook. Oh, he went to Vinemont, didn't he?
Yeah.
Woo, doggies.
He's a little fish.
Little fish? Hey, that's number 4. No. Yeah, 13 or 14. I forget. Aggravating. Trying to keep count.
He's not quite as little as I
You, he may fooled you, huh?
Yeah.
I hear you.
He's had a big bow in my line. Let him run too far.
That may be a big fish.
It's bad. It's a bass.
May be a good one.
It is a bass. He's a mean mad dog spot. Just meaner than a junkyard dog. Meaner than the fattest dog and meaner than a dog.
Yep. See if he got hook marks in it from yesterday.
Man, is that thing pretty?
He's a pretty fish, man.
Almost looks like a smallmouth.
Pretty fish.
Yeah,
Boy, he's a fat rascal.
How brown he is.
Yep.
Almost looks like a smallmouth.